Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your audio phone box on your Audi A4 S401. Your Audi has an Audi phone box to charge your mobile phone's battery. You can use the vehicle's external aerial to make calls, which reduces radiation in the vehicle and also ensures a better reception quality. We can find this located in the center console. Okay, the storage compartment underneath the center armrest, the Audi phone box with connections possibilities, as you can see. A mobile phone must be connected via Bluetooth, for example. Then, after this, a lot of options are available. We can dock it to a wired connection to reload the battery inside your smartphone. And we can lay down it on the area in the Audi phone box to reload the battery of the smartphone as well with an Qi standard. We can establish a connection with the external car aerial. To charge a mobile phone wireless, we place the Qi-compatible mobile phone onto the middle of the Qi symbol in the Audi phone box, with the phone's display facing upwards. Then the mobile phone will be charged. We can of course place our mobile phone onto the middle of the telephone symbol in the Audi phone box, with the phone's displays facing upward. When doing so, we make sure that there are no objects between the Audi phone box and the mobile phone. Then it will be established a connection with the external car area. To charge a mobile phone via USB adapter, we go and connect our mobile phone to the Audi music interface using an USB adapter cable. Job's done. We can charge our mobile phone using this easy peasy, and of course we can additionally use the Audi phone box to enhance to ensure a better reception quality if it is connected via Bluetooth with the device, with our car and the smartphone devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!